363 miles of open, public beaches make the Oregon coastal region one of the most exciting and beautiful areas in the world of photography. Cannon Beach was designated one of the top 100 most beautiful places in the world by National Geographic. It is no wonder many come to the region. The challenge here photographically is knowing where to go and getting there at the right time. This is why many join the photography workshops with Tony and Keith. Unlike many workshops where you scramble for just minutes with the instructors due to overcrowding, this workshop could be considered a boutique workshop since the participants are limited to only 10. With 2 seasoned, successful photographers and instructors, you are sure to get all the time you need with either of these 2. Sharing the same philosophy that learning should be fun, Tony and Keith bring humor and excitement into their outdoor classroom to drive home a point, share a technique, or otherwise point out a trade secret you didn't even know to ask about. Click on the Learn More button to find more details and to register. Don't delay, there will probably be a waiting list before long.